Welcome back. IDC plots that were allotted before 2011 are under government scanner. GIDC has begun the process of issuing notices to the plot holders who were allotted plots prior to 2011. Sources from IDC inform that nearly 30 notices have been served till now to the plots kept unused for more than 3 years. Goa IDC will give opportunity to entrepreneurs to specify the reason for keeping the allotted plot idle for years. Idle plots from 7 industrial estates have been marked. Plots from Verna and Pilana yet to be identified.
Goa Industrial Development Corporation has started issuing notices to the plot holders who have kept their plots idle for several years. Plots which were kept unused for more than 2 or 3 years will be taken back by the IDC. Notices are issued to nearly 30 defaulter plot holders till now. GIDC will continue this idle plots identification drive for more days. Before issuing notices, Goa IDC conducted inspection to identify such idle plots at the various industrial estates. Till now, Goa IDC has inspected Kankon, Kunkoli, Madkai, Kakoda, Betoda, Honda and Pisulle industrial estates. Inspection of Verna and Pilan industrial estates is yet to be done as this drive will continue for next few days. Sources inform that deadline of 15 days has been given to the lease holders. There will be a relaxation for genuine cases. If the concerned entrepreneur gives an undertaking to the Goa IDC that he will set up plant in 6 months, or else Goa IDC will take back the allotted plot. Leaseholders will be fined for keeping plots unused. Government is of the opinion that IDC should allot the plots to those interested in setting up industries or any commercial enterprise rather than keeping it idle for years. Reporter Mahesh Khadi and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Burglars have hit capital city again. In the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday, burglars struck at 2 mobile shops and decamped with mobile phones worth almost 8 lakh rupees. Panaji police has registered FIR and are tracking the burglars. Burglars looted this electronic shop, which is located less than 500 meters from Panaji police station and police headquarters. In the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday, burglars entered the shop and stole away mobile phone worth 2,83,000 rupees. Burglars did not break the lock and prima facie it seems that they entered into shop by opening the shutter. Almost in the similar manner, they looted mobile phones worth 5,32,000 rupees from another shop at Kampal. Panaji police has registered FIR and are probing the case. Police are suspecting that both robberies are committed by the same gang of burglars. In both burglaries, mobile phones of particular brand have been stolen. Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. Baban Duri from Dodamarg has been detained in Sambar deer meat smuggling case. Sources say that Baban supplies deer meat all over Goa and has been detained under this suspicion. The forest officials also managed to trace the head of deer which was killed by poachers on Monday. It was hidden at the residence of one of the accused in Tuve. Police and the forest officials are tracking the interstate meat smuggling racket.
Forest officials managed to trace the head of the Sambar deer that was killed by the poachers on Tuesday. The head was found at the residence of one of the accused, Amol Naik, in Tuve. The 3 accused arrested in this case are in custody of Pedne police. They have been remanded a police custody of 2 days. Early on Monday, forest officials had seized about 32 kg Sambar deer meat, locally known as Meru, worth almost 15,000 rupees, in a raid at Shioli Bridge on Monday. Amol Naik, Ashish Bandekar and Shantaram Naik from Tuve were arrested on Monday. Police had also attached a swift car. The meat was smuggled from Savantwadi. Police and the forest officials are tracking the interstate meat smuggling racket. Vinod Methar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.